In our previous discussions, we explored how the Internet of Things connects the physical world to the digital realm. Today, we take that connection a step further. We are entering the world of immersive technologies. Specifically, we will define what augmented reality is and clarify the often confusing differences between AR, virtual reality, VR, and mixed reality, MR. Overview of augmented reality. The fundamental idea of augmented reality, or AR, is to combine or mix your view of the real environment with additional virtual content. Unlike other technologies that take you away from your surroundings, AR allows you to overlay computer-generated images, sounds, or GPS data directly onto the real world in real time. Through this augmented vision, your surrounding environment becomes interactive and digitally usable. Whether it's a translation app that changes a street sign's language as you look at it, or a game like Pokémon Go, AR integrates digital information into your space as if it were actually there. The Reality-Virtuality, RV, Continuum. To understand where these technologies sit, we look at Paul Milgram's Reality-Virtuality Continuum. It is a spectrum. On one end, you have the purely physical real world. On the other end, you have a 100% digital virtual environment. AR and mixed reality live in the space between these two extremes. Virtual reality, VR. Virtual reality is fully immersive. It tricks your senses into thinking you are in a completely different world. By using a head-mounted display like an Oculus Rift or even a simple Google Cardboard, you are transported to a computer-simulated reality. In VR, the real world is blocked out entirely. Augmented reality, AR, versus mixed reality, MR. While AR overlays digital elements on your live view, often through a smartphone camera, mixed reality takes it a step further. MR is sometimes called hybrid reality because it allows physical and digital objects to coexist and interact in real time. In a mixed reality environment, you could place a virtual character on your real-world desk, and that character could react to the desk's surface or even be hit by a real-world object you are holding. While AR is a digital overlay, MR is a digital integration. Hardware differences. One of the most practical differences lies in the hardware. AR is highly accessible. Most modern smartphones can run AR apps today. VR, however, generally requires specialized headsets, noise-canceling headphones, and sometimes motion capture sensors to track your movement in a room. Conclusion. As we move forward in this chapter, we will look at the architecture that makes these magic overlays possible and how industries from medicine to entertainment are using them to change how we see the world.